What's up, guys? Hi. So back in the saddle, been a while since I got some content. I decided to try out another Harley-Davidson dealership just to see what's out there. I don't think it's fair that I've been going to one. I'm not scripted with them or anything, so I can do what I want. I'm a grown-ass man. So I decided to check out another Harley-Davidson dealer. Because, I mean, why not? Give love to everybody. I can do that, right? Free country, all that. So this one, it's not a real dark day, a little dreary, but so this place is about 30 minutes from my work, so it's actually closer to when I get off work and where I'm going than the other place is. So if I decided to shoot off after work, this would probably be an easier one to get to. So, but they close a little bit earlier, so double-edged sword there. But I mean, I never stay till the place closes anyway. So anyway, that'll all work itself out in the end. But yeah, I did decide just to check out a new dealership, open up my options a little bit. So let's head there and let's see what's going on.
You don't know why you're going just because they told you to. You don't want to fight, but you're gonna go, and you know you're gonna die. Why don't you think for yourself? Why don't you do what you want? Why don't you think for yourself? Brainwash!
This is like the reality of Memphis driving. You have really, really fast lanes and really, really slow lanes. And nobody's doing the speed limit. You're either way above or way below.
Why don't you think for yourself?
Well, alright guys, I would say that was fruitful. That was a fruitful meeting, and I don't know, we'll see where it goes from here. Right now though, we're on the way home, and as you can see, I'm taking shelter behind a rig that somebody's probably fixing to squeeze me out of. But yeah, none of these people are... Oh well, okay, fine. I was gonna let them in. So yeah, I'll take shelter behind rigs because one, you save gas. They'll actually kind of pull you along. But yeah, so yeah, if you're not going the same speed as them, you get a lot of turbulence. If you're going the same speed as them, you get a lot of pull. It's just like, it's like being in a little vacuum, like nestled in a little nest. So I don't mind. But if they're going slow, yeah, cool, I'll pass them. But like this, I mean, you know, this is to my benefit just to stay behind this guy. One, I'm protected. I'm protected from things bouncing all over the road and stuff. As long as I can see between his tires, you gotta stay ready. Don't be too close, get too dumb. But yeah, this is pretty cool back here. Nobody's gonna try to swerve up around you because they'll try to pass the 18-wheeler instead of trying to get between you and them, because they know that the 18-wheeler is probably easier to pass. So it makes you kind of less of a target. Now, as far as these clowns coming up from behind, 50-50 shot. You never know what to expect. I am going to try to beat the rain home, and tonight we are going to announce our winner. And there's a few other little things I might do tonight. We'll see. But yeah, so tonight, so far, the ASMAX Z1 headset has the popular vote is going to one person, and I won't say who it is yet. We'll figure it out later, but that'll be later. So yeah, they'll give you something to watch in the last part of the video. And I also might be painting the tank this weekend. I am going to order another fuel pump where I'll have 2 tanks with fuel pumps in them. That way, next time I decide to do a paint job, because I know I will, I'll have another tank to throw on there, and I don't have to interrupt my riding schedule to wait for the paint to dry. So let's get home. Let's see what's going on. Okay guys, votes are in, results are tallied, and by a very wide margin, Buck Brown has won. But let's talk about this first. So the ASMAX Z1 headset, I have thoroughly enjoyed this one for a few different reasons. One,
max battery, 70%.
That's the number one reason. It actually tells you what the battery voltage is, or the percentage is, when you turn it on and when you turn it off. The speakers inside it are huge. It's very easy to pair to your phone. It's very easy to pair to anything you're using with it. I've paired it to my carpet ride. It's paired to the phone, and it makes it easy to do everything, and it goes through this, so it's very cool. The meshing is super easy. You just tell it what to do. You push the button and you tell it to mesh, and it meshes. Or you can hit both buttons, double tap, and it'll mesh to any Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headset. So for those reasons, I have loved it. And they're very economical. So yeah, they're like half the price of a Cardo. I don't know what that is compared to the other brands out there, because I don't use them. I don't use the Senna, I don't use the other stuff. But comparatively, I've enjoyed this entirely. The one issue I did have with it was I used the button microphone instead of the boom. The person that you're talking to can't hear you as well. You can hear them fine. Like I said, these speakers in this thing are huge. They got the pillows that'll push them further into your head. And I have loved this headset. So for that reason, it's hard for me to do this, but like I said, by a large margin, Buck Brown has won. I know last night after the voting closed Friday night, 9 p.m. And for some reason this morning, all of a sudden there was a huge influx of votes. I thank everybody for paying attention and getting the word out and spreading it and voting, but yes, it voted. Voting ended last night at 9 p.m. So, sorry. You'll notice I'm using a different lighting. The lighting I've been using in this room has like a weird orange glow to it, and that's what's been making a lot of my stuff from the studio look a little orange. So instead of I just turned the light off and decided to use the ring light for power and just to see what that would do, and hopefully it works out okay. If it doesn't, you'll be the first to know because you'll be seeing this video, and of course I'll know while I'm editing, but by then it's too late. Sometimes you just gotta do good enough instead of trying to keep working for better than everybody else. So it's what it is. It's the content that matters, not sometimes your technique. So in that case, hey, if this one messes up, I won't do it next time. That's where we go. And then I'll try to find a new globe for this light and we'll be fixed. Anyway, I thank everyone for voting, and I hope that your favorite person won. So like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Like,